Alright, final walk around of the Charger. Polished with Essence, coated with Exoforma. Here's the tires coated with CQuartz BlackOut. Wheels coated with Adams Graphene, and then the calipers were painted red. Again, there's deep defects in here. This is just a paint enhancement and coating. So from a distance it looks good. Again, deep scratches are still in there. Here's the gloss from the side. Overall, this thing came out good. So I'm about to go pick him up. He's going to drop me back off. So I just want to give you a quick walk around of it. And again, thanks for watching.